Hi everyone, I've got this square blackish stone. I'm not sure. It's probably a jasper. It doesn't look like agate to me. So we are going to wire wrap it, and I've got two 16-inch pieces of 20 gauge copper wire, and I'm going to double it. Put my wire in there. Maybe that'll work out better. About halfway. Let's see if I'm about halfway. Alright, and then we're going to cinch it down. Alright, now they're both the same length, and we're going to put this in there sideways. Gotta find a good place for my arm because I brace on my arm. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold it like that. We're going to take this wire over and catch the point and go behind. Then we're going to take that one up. Sort of straighten that out there. Alright, we're going to take this one over, catch the point, straighten it up, and go down. Alright, and that's what we have. Alright, now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to curl it around. Make a curl. Make sure you can see. Now every time I touch that thing I have to be careful because it'll sound like I've hit it with a hammer. And that's what we have so far. And all we did was wrap it around back here. Do a curve, come up here and wrap it around. Do the same thing on this side. Curl it. Swoop it out a little bit. Take it back on that one. And wrap it around. Nice and flat. Now, I want my make a bell here. Alright, let's make a bell. I like to have a 2-wire bell, but where did that come off at? My wire broke. Huh. It broke. I must have mashed it too hard. Well, we'll fix it. Because I'm not stopping. I'm redoing this because you have to work on the fly. So we broke off that, or at least I did, by mashing too hard. So take this wire, and I'm going to hold this the way I want it. And I am going to wrap it around. And there is our bell. Not the way I planned, but I'm planning on breaking that wire, so I'm going to make a little curl here. We'll go around again. See if I can bend it over a little bit. Alright. And take it down here. I guess my bottom wire is going to be I'll hook it down here where I broke the other one. Well, that messed me up whenever I broke that one. I just had to take it down. Alright, straighten this out. Yeah, I tell y'all that I was having a rough time wrapping here lately. I don't know. wrap it around that one, I guess. Well, let's see if I can straighten that up. It's a little wonky up there. Now pull it down. Alright, that's what we have. Working on a real hot mess. That's what I'm working on. Alright. Continue on. I don't need them. Alright, we're going to do a curl. Curl. Bring it up here to the top and go right there. And around that. Alright, we're going to cut this off. Right there. And turn it. If I can get my hands on it. Now, since we've got this one here, put a swirl on it there. Take it through here. And I might put a swirl on it here. Take it right there. I hope that thought that was my wire cutters that I dropped earlier. Well, I thought I had it in my hand there. that's our pendant. I recovered from breaking that wire off pretty much midway, so yeah, do whatever you can to save it. Then if you have to trash it, trash it. But it turned out good. It'll hold up. I've got it all where that wire broke. I wrapped it around and tightened it up so it won't come loose. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end. Liking and subscribing. It really helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.